Hello, my name is Jonathan Rodriguez. I am 29 years old. I live in the city of Yopal, Casanare in Colombia. I currently study business administration and work as a commercial executive. My wife's name is Candy Marquez. She is 27 years old. She currently works at Coastal as a cashier. She usually gets up at 6 in the morning, prepares breakfast, has breakfast with the whole family at about 8, then showers and gets dressed to go to work. Leaves home at 8:30 and travels on her motorcycle to get to work at 9 a.m. Usually have lunch at 1 p.m. and return to work at 2 p.m. Leave work at 7 p.m. and get home at 7:30. Have dinner at 8 p.m. and usually to go to bed at 9 or 10 p.m. Thanks.